TapeMat is an open-weave floor heating mat that can be easily installed beneath tile, stone, or laminate flooring in homes and commercial buildings. This 2 feet by 10 feet mat is customizable to fit rooms of all shapes and sizes, easily handling curves, angles, and cutouts. The orange mesh can be cut with scissors and flipped to cover and fit your layout. The blue wire can be pulled out and run around obstructions and awkward spaces. Please note the blue wire should never be cut. TapeMat is completely safe for home use. It allows for one-step installation using thin-set mortar or a self-leveler. Double-sided tape adheres to the subfloor to allow for a fast layout. TapeMat easily connects to 120-volt AC power, bringing comfort and a touch of luxury to your space. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. TapeMat easily installs beneath tile, stone, or laminate flooring in homes and commercial buildings. Number 2. 0.125 inches thick cable connects to 120-volt AC power. Number 3. Double-sided tape adheres to the subfloor and lays flat for a fast layout. Number 4. Safe and easy one-step application with a thin set or self-leveler. Orange mesh can be cut with scissors to fit the room layout. Number 5. Install anytime, anywhere. The SunTouch product line includes options for the above subfloor, between joist bay, or concrete embedded systems. Systems are available for warming tile, stone, wood, laminate, and other floor coverings. Number 6. Proven reputation. With over 30 years of experience designing electric floor heating systems, you can feel confident choosing a SunTouch system. We have a proven reputation with thousands of successful installations across North America. Number 7. Many useful features. Options for display color themes, remote access, large touchscreens, and control of floor or air temperature. Reduce energy costs with innovations like an outdoor reset in the SunStack Connect. Number 8. Make sure your system is working properly. Use a digital multimeter to test your heating elements. You can have peace of mind knowing that your floor heating system is in working order by testing the resistance of the heating elements with a digital multimeter. Each cable has a old tag on the power lead with a resistance range printed on it. Set the multimeter to 200 ohms and test the colored power lead wires. Then test the colored wires against the copper ground wire to make sure there is no resistance on the ground. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can this be installed under carpet and padding? Answer: yes. You can install SunTouch floor warming mats under the carpet, but they still need to be embedded in mortar. We recommend covering them with a 1/4 inch layer of self-leveling underlayment so you have a smooth and even surface to put the carpet over. Question number 2. Can these mats be cut? I have a bathroom where the wall bumps out. Answer: yes. The orange mesh can be cut but not the blue heating wire. You can completely free the wire and use hot glue to hold it down for hard-to-reach areas as long as you maintain the 3 inches spacing. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.